Hi everyone, and today I'm going to give you an unboxing of this desk chair. Okay, so the first thing we have is one of the armrests, the second armrest. Okay, next thing is the cushion. Okay, looks like the back. We have some parts here, and it's labelled really well, which I think is good. We have the base. Last thing, it looks like we have part of the chair which is used for adjusting the height.
So instructions are included and they are relatively simple to follow. This chair took me less than an hour to set up. I think the hardest part was setting up the back. The instructions do recommend that you set this up with 2 people, so I think the setup process could be easier. So there's my full unboxing of this chair. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and thanks very much for watching.